G'day folks, I'm Big Bert, welcome to the channel. On tonight's show, we're going on a steam train. We're going to do the Wilderness Railway, Apt Railway, out of Queenstown on Tasmania's west coast. So grab a bevy, kick back, and enjoy a train ride. Who doesn't like a train ride? Damn, it's a good day. Enjoy. Today we're in Queenstown, and the plan is, I'll just look at the landscape here. It's not much of a day, but we are on the west coast of Tasmania, so likely to get a wet butt. The Apt Railway from Queenstown through the old track from the mines up in the hills. So had a half day, 3/4 day tour. The train line was built in 1896 to transport ore from Queenstown mines to the port of Strahan. The West Coast Wilderness Railway now carries visitors through Tasmania's western wilderness in style aboard historic carriages pulled by meticulously restored steam engines. You'll travel through rainforests, cross wild rivers and mountain gorges, enjoy spectacular views while listening to fascinating commentary about the region's rich and colourful past. We chose to do the Racken Gorge half-day tour. Queenstown, train station Double Barrel, back to Queenstown. This half-day tour departed Queenstown station, travelling steep grades using the Apt Racken pinion system that the West Coast Wilderness Railway is renowned for. We travelled along the King River Gorge in cool temperate rainforests to complete this experience. Our tour included the opportunity to pan for gold, try to catch the gold fever at Lynchford. Not for us on this occasion, sadly. See the cog there in the middle of the track? That's the Apt. The pinion on the train axle attaches to and keeps you slow and keeps you traction. We stop at Double Barrel. This is the midway point of the railway line, and on our half-day journey The locomotives are turned by hand on a manual turntable.
Again, please be careful getting on and off the carriages. We're going to be here for 15 to 20 minutes. When you hear the whistle, that's our cue to get back on board.
Well, thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a big old thumbs up. Must be time for a beer. Let's go.